Whoa, what is this? I'm going to drink this later. So, friends, did you saw that fish? So, today I'm going to show you to make your very own fish. So, to make your very own fish, we need the 2 empty cups and a water and baking soda and something to mix and a spoon and citric acid and a measuring cylinder and some food color. You can use any food color you want to use. I'm using blue and yellow. Yes. So we take the cup up. You see the sign. 25 ml of water. Okay. You fill it up right here. Okay. I'm filling it up. Oh no, it's not. That is too much. Yes, okay. Yeah, this is done. Now we pour this water right here. Now I'm going to put 2 drops of yellow and I'm going to put the blue same. Okay, I'm going to put it, at least I'll put how many drops I want to put. 1 drop, 2 drops. I think that's it. And just 2 drops. Yeah. Now, do you want to see what the yellow and blue make? Let me show you. Say, it made what? It made green and light green. And see, now we take the baking soda and take a spoon. Take the spoon and dibuixar. Now I have put 1 scoop of baking soda. Now we are going to put the baking soda in the next empty cup. Now we take the citric acid and I'm going to open this and I got some more. Now this is some citric acid. I put this into this bowl. Now let's mix it. Yeah.
So the cup has baking soda and citric acid.
Just feel that thing if you're mixing that feels so weird if you feel it.
Now what do we do next?
Now do you want to see the magic? Abracadabra. Now I'm going to put this inside the baking soda and the citric acid. I'm going to put the whole. Woo!
That's a lot of fizz.
Yeah! That's going to spill down. See all the bubbles.
Just like the can of soda that you opened.
Yeah. See how much bubbles are coming out because I think it's not more. I think
Why is this happening, Parikshet?
because of the chemical reaction between the baking soda and the citric acid and the water. The gas is coming out. It's called carbon dioxide.
Okay, the gas is causing the bubbles.
Yeah.
This is what happens when you open a can of soda too. isn't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. See, this is such a big bubble.
Can we drink this?
No, because this is not a soft drink. This is just an experiment.
Okay.
Should I pop this?
1, 2, 3. Ah!
I didn't pop it. It only on its own it popped.
Okay.
Now, try this experiment at home and tell me which color did you love and did you love it. And do like and subscribe my channel. It can either be a drawing, it could be a dance, it could be an experiment, it could be a story, it could be a poem also.
So Parikshet can do anything next. It could be a drawing, coloring, dancing, experiment and story too. So
Just keep